Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In today's video, we'll see a demo call for tomorrow. Tomorrow it's weekly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty. It is 26th of November. Today it's 25th of November. I'm giving this demo call one day before. Like these are the pre-market demo call. This is pre-market demo call for tomorrow. So that call we'll see in detail. Before that, I would like to tell you people like this. This is my channel. Sunil Suklal Power is my YouTube channel. If you search Sunil Suklal Power, my full name, in Google or in YouTube, you will find this channel. 15,000 subscribers are already there, and the benefit of this joining this channel is this is the India's only channel where you will get free demo calls, and all the calls are jackpot calls. Like the calls are given on expiry day. Last expiry day on 19th November I had given this demo call. You can see this video. This is a video of a demo call and this is video of the performance. This video was for 19th November, but it was updated on 18th November night. It was updated one day before, and these calls performed, and then this video was updated. This video is for the performance. So this is the demo call. This is the demo call which was updated one day before. This was the video which was updated one day before on 18th night, but on 19th there was a big gap up or gap down maybe on 19th, and that's why as per rule I had given this live market demo call. This was the live market demo call that was updated by 11 o'clock on 19th November, and this is the performance of these calls. So you will find hundreds of the videos here, which you will find these videos are giving only demo calls, nothing else. And then there is Telegram channel. This is Sunil Power Best Option Analyst. This is the Telegram channel. If you want to find this Telegram channel, then you need to type Sunil Power Option King. Sunil Power Option King. If you type, then you will find this channel. You first check, there are 3,440 subscribers. You need to check my profile pic, and you need to also check whenever I am giving call, you will find my contact number there. This is 9890812070. So there are few fake Telegram channels in my name on Telegram. Few fake people have created some fake IDs on my name. So that is another matter. But if you check these things properly, first Sunil Power Option King, then my profile pic, then 3,440 subscribers, and then if you find all my posts and my contact number everywhere like this, then it is authentic channel. It's my own channel. So this is the demo call. This is demo call for tomorrow that I have updated. I have given to my paid clients also. This is 26th of November, expiry 26th of November, tomorrow. This is the table for tomorrow, Nifty call and put. So I give this type of table every day to my clients, and then there is a set of rules. These are the set rules which the client or the follower has to follow to execute trades on these calls. So what are the rules? Rules are like, we'll check in detail. Entry in trade only when call or put crosses entry price. It means tomorrow after market open, after 9:15, if Nifty call 12,850, if crosses 91.60, then only buy, otherwise not. If Nifty put 12,850, if crosses 68.12, then only buy, otherwise not. So tomorrow after market opening, if call crosses the entry price, then buy call. If put crosses the entry price, then buy put. We are not buying both. We will buy only one option which is crossing the entry price. Same rules for Bank Nifty. If option opens with gap up, then wait for given buy level and enter at the level only. It means Nifty call 12,850. If tomorrow opens around 100, for example, the entry price is 91, but it opens about around 100, then you put your normal market order at 91.60, so that whenever it comes down to 91.60 or 92, there you will buy or your trade will execute. So if it opens with normal gap, if it opens with a small gap, for example target is 130 here, and if it opens around 100, you can still buy at 92, no problem. And because tomorrow it is expiry and the trader is expected to buy 2 lots, so there one lot he can buy on 100. If it is opening at 100, then trader can buy one lot at 100 and other lot he can buy at 80 rupees, so that his average comes to 92. So that way also trade can be executed. Double the quantity of second trade when stop loss is hit. It means if, for example, trader enters into call option and call option does not hit the target but hits the stop loss, then in that case trader will exit from that position and then he will wait for put to activate. If put activates, then he will enter into put with double quantity. If put is not activating, if put is not crossing its entry price and call again crosses entry price, then trader will enter into call with double quantity. So that is the rule. If target is hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. So for Nifty call 12,850, entry at 91.60, target is 130.63. So this target either call or put. If call or put hits the target within 2 hours, then hold that trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. Just trail the stop loss on the cost and hold that trade till 3:20 p.m. It means till day end. So here, if any trader has taken two lots, then one lot he can book on target, other lot he can carry till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. That is also a rule. If target is not hit and stop loss is also not hit, then carry for 1 or 2 days. This rule is not for expiry day. This is for other days. If stop loss is hit on both sides, then avoid trading for the day and next day take first trade with 3 lots. This is also for normal days. But on expiry day, if call or put hits the stop loss before 12:30 or before 1 p.m. and if third trade activates before 1 p.m., then position can be taken. For example, tomorrow if Nifty call, trader enters into Nifty call, stop loss is hit, trader enters into put, then stop loss is also again stop loss hit, and then again call activates, then that entry can be made if that entry is happening before 1 p.m. So that is also a rule. So these are very simple rules. If pre-market calls in Nifty Express open above target, then avoid and follow live market calls in fact signals. It means these are the live market calls. These are the pre-market calls. These are pre-market calls. I am giving these calls one day before. If these calls open above target tomorrow, then just simply avoid these calls, and I will give new fresh calls at by 10:15 to 10:30. This period I will give a new fresh call and the trader would follow those calls. So for example, just like this is my Telegram channel where I update every day, I update performance. Like today, Nifty put doubled. Today, this is the call which I had given to paid clients. Nifty put doubled. Bank Nifty put also doubled. You can check all the details here. So So here you can read today pre-market calls opened above target and hence given live market calls at 10:41 a.m. So today my pre-market calls opened above the target. This is I am talking about today's calls, those were given to my paid clients. So pre-market calls opened above the target, and that's why I had given live market calls at 10:41 a.m. and those calls in those calls puts activated, Nifty put and Bank Nifty put activated, and both have doubled today. This is the performance for Wednesday, and if you want to check the performance here, you can check on this Telegram channel. So I update the performance regularly here, and the channel, how you will search Sunil Power Option King, that way you will search the channel. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video, and share these videos and the channels with all of your friends so that everybody takes benefit. Last time, I will tell you, last time I had given demo call and Nifty went up 5 times. So last time Nifty put went up 5 times and Bank Nifty put tripled. So that is the performance, that was the performance of last expiry demo call. So let us see what happens tomorrow. So thanks for watching this video, and share all these videos and channels with all of your friends so that everybody takes benefit. Thanks friends.